Guess who's back with a brand new thing? Me. Okay, we've got Patrick Ta's Monochrome Moment. This is the fall 2019 collection. Oh my God, as soon as I got on the PR list for Patrick Ta, I about lost my shit. I'm not gonna lie. He has tape that says his name on it, and I've never seen that in packaging before. Maybe I just haven't got that elevated-ish, but he had duct tape with his name on it on the box, outside of this box. Okay, that's all I have to say about that. This is the second collection that he's come out with, and it is awesome. It is so good. I did a little bit of an unboxing on my Insta story when I got it in the mail at work, but we're going to do a little bit of a deep dive. I have these two products here as well because these are things that I like to mix with some of the glosses that I've been using of his. Glosses, they're liquid lips. They're cream liquid lips too. What are they called? Oh, they're, yeah, lip creams. Soft finish, traditional, of a traditional lipstick, liquefied into a soft cream. One stroke of this hybrid formula envelopes the lips with intense color payoff. And yes, it does. I'm obsessed with these. I loved the glosses that he came out with first time round. Major Glow Gloss in She's an Influencer is obviously one that I use a lot. It is, look at it. We're running out, girl. We're running out. Okay, anyway, these we'll talk about later. I put the things that I've been using back in here. Like, obviously, you can see that the face brush has some bronzer and blush on it because I've been using that for those things. Also, the eyes brush. Okay, yes, he came out with brushes. The lip brush, I'm not a huge lip brush fan. I usually will put this in my kit, and it barely ever gets used, unless, obviously, I'm dipping into a lipstick palette. If I'm going to use this on myself, it's for a brow bone highlight or an inner corner highlight. I'm just saying. Haven't used it yet. But still great. The quality feels almost like a goat hair. It doesn't feel synthetic, even though more than likely it is. I don't think it says on this whether it is synthetic. It just says eyeshadow brush, a fluffy brush that gently tapers into a soft dome. Tapers to a soft dome. So that's basically all it says. It just says it has a natural application. Fluffy tulip shaped brush is the blush brush. Anyway, so I have been using this for all over body bronzer and then blush as well. I've been doing both. It's a twofer. Body, regular bronzer, and blush. Love this guy. The only thing you can't really tell because we're in natural daylight. I'm not using my ring light, which is actually attached to this right now because I honestly don't have a plug to attach it. This is like a rose gold chrome. Rose gold obviously was kind of like his moment that he was going with before, and this is a chrome rose gold 4-face one brush. The only thing is you can see a lot of fingerprints on all of the packaging. So I don't really mind it. I don't really notice it. But if you are if you're like wanting everything to look clean and crisp all the time, you're going to need to clean these brushes a lot. The handles of the brushes a lot. I can't think right now. Okay, anyway, couldn't think right then. So one thing that I love besides this eyeshadow brush, this is my favorite right now. I am beyond obsessed with it. It does taper into a dome. It's perfect for blending out any crease. I use this with my Hoola bronzer and literally every day. That's why it looks like this. I've been using this for the past 2 weeks since I got it, every single day. And yes, I need to clean it. I clean my brushes probably every 2 weeks. So it's time. Time's up, girl. Okay. So yeah, using that every single day as well as the She's Adorable blush. This has kind of taken over in place of my Orgasm blush from NARS, which is a ride or die for me. This is She's Adorable Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush. It's beautiful. It has a little bit, if you can hear Finn, he's tearing apart something right now. That's my dog, Finn. Just FYI. Yes, I'm using a flashlight, even though I have my ring light. Like, what am I doing? I don't know. This is real life, though. Okay, so this is the packaging. So gorge. Can you see it? Let me show you. Kind of has like a coral undertone to it, pinky coral with an iridescence. Bitch, it's so good. It is so nice. You can see where I have swatched and I've been using that upper left-hand corner. Yeah, really love it. The packaging is nice. It is strong. It has a mirror in it, which I love. Makes it even more luxe, and we appreciate that because if we're traveling on the go and we need a mirror, we can have this little compact. And it's great. It's nice. Love it. What else? These lip pencils. Let me talk about these lip pencils. I have been using She's Proud and She's Humble nonstop since I received this. Number one, the coolest packaging situation I have probably ever seen. Very innovative. Look at that. It pumps up the jam. Pump it up. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Don't want to get demonetized. Not that I'm monetized. Okay. This is She's Proud. This has like a grayish undertone, and I am obsessed with it for overlining my lips. Girlfriend has never had a lip injection, okay? So she's still rocking them small lips, and this lip liner really elevates the Cupid's bow without looking too ridiculous and like I'm overlining like a crazy person. I am in love with this. Obviously, I use it all the time. It's kind of tapered, kind of reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow thing that came out a while back. Brow thing. Wow. Not the Brow Wiz, but the brow fill in the blank. Yeah, so kind of reminds me of that, except it keeps its shape, which is awesome. I'm obsessed. Love it. I should probably swatch these, right? Should I swatch them? I don't know. This is like real life swatching though, with like not great lighting. Ah. That's She's Proud right there. I should probably plug in my ring light. I'm going to be quiet and just move along. Okay. So yeah, haven't touched She's Bold and She's Strong yet. These are shades that I probably will not use on myself. They're a little too dark for my skin tone. So I'm going to throw these in my kit. Some stuff I like to keep from PR for myself because when I first received and got on a couple PR lists, I was really excited and it had been like a dream come true. Whatever, that's stupid, okay? It's reality. I was very excited. So a lot of times I like to keep some of the stuff for myself, and then other things I'll stick in my kit. But two of the shades of the lip cream I have been obsessed with is She's Independent, and I've also talked about or heard that this packaging has been talked about, and that it's lightweight. It feels lightweight. It feels good. It looks like it would be metal or, you know, a little bit like heavier, a little dense, but it's not. It's not at all. It's very lightweight, easy to throw in your purse. It doesn't wear down very beautifully. Like this is one that's been in my purse and I've kind of thrown this around and used this like every single day. So that's kind of how it wears down over the course of maybe however long he has since he's launched his first line. That's when I got this. So that's the kind of wear and tear you can see there. Let's throw a flashlight on it, okay? That's that. Still love it. Doesn't deter me from using the product. The product's effing great. So that is She's Independent. I've been using that a ton, as well as, is it She's Unapologetic? I don't think so. I don't think that's the one no, it's the pinkier shade. This is what it is. She's Secure. She's Secure is the one I have been using. I've been using a mixture of these two. I love that it's like a pinky nude undertone. Obsessed. Let's hit it with a flashlight, bitch. Look at that. Yep. And it wears all day. And what I love is I will lip line first. So I'll hit the lip liner and then I'll go over top, maybe around the corners of my lip with the darker shade. And then in the center, I'll go in with that She's Secure. And then to make sure my lips is extra juicy, I go in with She's an Influencer from the original launch, the gloss. It makes your lips pop. Pop in, pop, lock, and drop it. And then if I'm like, hey, it's a little too brown for me, This is kind of random, but a drugstore find that I am beyond obsessed with. This is Physicians Formula Muro butter. SPF 15 though, girl, so you'll be out in the sun not getting sunburn on your lips. And this is the shade Guava Mama. I like to pop this right in the center. This is a little extra for all you people out there that are like, really, I'm just trying to throw in a bomb. Well, guess what? Just get this then instead. So I'll put that in the middle and it will keep things coral fresh. I still feel like it's summer because I'm in LA and it's 88 degrees today and it's November 9th. Okay, anyway, so yeah, this is the Patrick Ta situation. I have heard also, was talking about the lip glosses or the lip creams packaging. Same as the last one. The lip pencils are so, honestly, really elevated, really feeling like, you know, they're dense, they are, I don't know, really, really nice packaging. Overall, I think the packaging is great for the price point. These blushes are, how much are they? 32 bucks. I mean, it's about on point with like the NARS and everything, and it feels a lot more dense than my NARS Orgasm palette, and it has a lot more product, to be honest. She's Seductive. I guess I should show all of these, right? So this is a little more of a brown kind of taupe shade, and it does not have reflex in it. Doesn't look like. But, so, on that note of the packaging, real quick, I brought my Christian Dior eyeshadow palette. Listen to it. So, in comparison to something that, okay, Dior is supposed to be super high quality, right? It is high quality, but it's plastic. I mean, it is what it is, and it comes with these little brushes that really we don't use these anymore, right? So, if you listen, I've talked about this on Insta Story before, and the eyeshadows are good. They're really nice, but they feel inexpensive. That's a nice word. Whereas like the Charlotte Tilbury packaging is, I would say, in line with the Patrick Ta packaging. It is nice quality. It's not too over the top. It's not weighing you down at all, but you still know that it's a luxe product. That's all. I just wanted to do that little comparison because I felt like I've heard some things about the packaging of Patrick Ta, and really it's great. Great in line with its pricing as well. You go. Drive fast, sir. Whoever you are. Anyway, so this is it. I'm going to show a few swatches of She's Passionate. I'm going to do a couple of the blushes since I've done the, I forget, you can see like everything I'm doing. Ooh, yeah, this color is so nice. Look at this. Let's get my flashlight on this. Look at that. Isn't that nice? All of these are really pretty. This is more of a pink, and it looks like it has a little bit of a sheen to it, right? I don't know. You can't see that. What am I doing? It's my first YouTube video. Just kidding. I know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to do this quick and dirty. This is like real life swatching, less pretty. See that? I don't know. Real nice, real luxe, fresh AF. Let me just open them all. What if we open them all? How about we do that? And then I never know what to do with PR packaging. Anybody else? I never know if I should throw it out. I'm like, what if this is like iconic? Like someday I'm gonna look back, or like my kids are gonna wanna look back and be like, Mom, you had all of this makeup and then you just threw it away or threw the packaging away. So this is the line of blushes. The brushes, the Dior thing that I don't use, the shadow, the lip brush, and then here's some swatches. That's the Dior shadow that I don't know why I swatched. But anyway, okay, I'm going to swatch a couple more. I should probably edit this down, but I'm not going to edit it down. I'm just going to go for it. So yeah, I have not used this. This is She's Bold, because guess what? She's bold. It's very, very 90s, very brown. And this is She's Strong. This is like Natural Daylight. Is that okay? feel like it's okay. But yeah, it did get a little chalky there, huh? With that swatch. And then this is She's Unapologetic. Very monochrome. She's Secure, which I already swatched, but you can kind of see them all next to each other. Don't at me. I'm not a swatch queen. Only some days that end in Y. Just kidding. What am I saying? Okay, this is She's Confident. All of these shades I actually really love, but like I said before, I'm trying to keep, She's Independent. I'm trying to keep these, some of them in my kit because I don't have a lot of really nice neutral lips like this. Whew! Yes, girl. That is a moment. And look at how nice Guava Mama sits with all of these. Love it. That's all. This is the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment. I really should turn on my ring light. Let me see if I can. Hang on. Hold, please. You're going to be like, why didn't you do this the entire time, Kristen? What are you doing? I'm probably going to say the same. Ah, wow. Yep, there it is. Should I refilm this? I'm not going to refilm this because this is real life. But I will show you the brush close up. I'm obsessed. This one too. So nice. Lip brush. Oh, and the applicator on the Patrick Ta. Love it. It is like the doe foot. Right? Doe foot applicator. Love it. Spongy. It's nice. I like it a lot better with the lip cream. Whereas the gloss has one that's a little more narrow. Let's just swatch that too so you can see how nice it is. All right. Ah, that's it. This is my Patrick Ta goodness. So thankful for it. Thank you, Patrick and his team, for sending this to me. I am obsessed. Ooh, also, let's just hit you with the lip creams. They are $24 a pop. That seems it's a little steep. $26 for the lip pencils, and the brushes are $18, $22, and $35 for this bad girl. All right, bye.